Okay, we just left the gate of Mango Orchard in Naik, Cavite. And you know, a lot of people are saying, ganong kalayo yan sa gate? Actually, it doesn't really matter because you're actually in a farm. You know the farm life? We know a lot of people who lived in a good farm life. So we're now here, okay, following Mang Salvador, and he's driving at 17 kilometers per hour. So just to take a leisure drive so you can look at the development. This is what the developed part really looks like. Yung nilinis na. So you imagine where we're going now. Medyo masukal pa ng konti, medyo masikip pa. But once the homeowners get together, all the lot owners, they start using the property, then you're gonna see a better location. Not only that, you're gonna see a lot of value appreciation. Alam mo, ang dami dyan nag-iisip, di ba? Bakal mahal. Actually, this is so cheap. It's 1,143 square meters only. And the lots here are 1,600 up to around 2,700 square meter lots. This is such a good farm lot for everybody. No? Tapos sabihin mo na lang, oh, foreclosure yan. You know what? Obviously, you don't know much about foreclosures. Let me tell you, when you buy foreclosure, you are buying from yesterday's value for tomorrow's appreciation. So itong value na to na 1,143, mura pa yan sa launching ng value years ago. This is siguro launching lang mga late 90s siguro hanggang early 2000s. Ganun katagal ang ni-launch to. Now, the secret here is that Global Estates, the subsidiary of Mega World, has taken over the subdivisions of Philestate. This is one of them. Just to give you an idea, Southwoods? Yeah, Southwoods. They were selling at 6,000, 7,000. Pumasok si Jerry. Boom! Ano yung value? Naging 22,000. Forest Hills. Remember? Now it's called Eastland. The values there, nakapako dati yan. 5,000, 6,000, hindi gumagalaw. Now, they're selling at 30, 40,000. The last, what they call the perch, you know, or the porch, you know, in the Eastland area, 48,000 pesos per square meter. So you can imagine how far will your 1,143 square meters go when Jerry starts getting the permit for the fencing, get the permits to develop the whole area, revive the clubhouse. Ano naman ang Mega World? Hindi yan small time, big time, and good, very, very good. So, if I were you guys, I'd think twice. Hey man, we only have 4 lots left here. Big, nice lots. So, think if future hindi, oh, grabe, ang daming dahon. Oh, grabe, masukal. Oh, it's creepy. Oh, it's scary. No, you see, have your vision. I'll see you at the end. And you know, pagtsatsagaan namin, we're going to show you the 5 lots that we really visited and stepped on. I'm sorry, 4. Nabenta pala yung isa ng isang araw. Okay? I'll keep quiet for a while and drive. Remember, only being at 15 kilometers per hour up to 13 kilometers. Mga ganun lang. Just doing some easy driving. Okay? Now we're coming ahead of these people. No? As you can see, they are already killing their lots and they're starting to get geodetic engineers to start putting their markers. No? So all of this is moving. Alam mo, pag gumalaw na yan, pag na sinabi nyo, oh, gusto ko na, ubus na, di lang yun, tumaas pa yung presyo. So they're all working and they're geodetic engineers. No? So yun. Okay, stop here and move forward and show you the last slide. Okay, remember, Mango Orchard, Naik, Cavite. Here we are in Mango Orchard and we found one of the lots. We came all the way from there going towards here, and this is actually here, block 13, lot 26. This is 1,895 square meters. And what's nice about this lot, it's patag already. It's not like it's plunging down. It's a good sized lot, but you know, we have to fix the entrance and everything. Later on, you know, you're gonna see how many farms are coming up here and the value is gonna go poo up. Now we go look for the other lots also. See you later. Ito na uli. We found now the second lot, which is Block 13, Lot 31. Kita mo, okay? Nice about these lots is patag, diba? I've seen the other lots there, medyo poo down, no? Okay, here. Where's the side? Oh, over here. Yeah. Lot 31, lot 13, Lot 31. Okay? And you can see, oh, ang maganda na siya ang cut, no? It's 2,770 square meters, you know. People say, oh, parang dense, di ba? You know what? Little by little, the homeowners, like I've seen some lot owners there, nag-start na sila mag-survey, no? Eventually, the value, I can say, times 5, times 10 yan over the next 2 to 3 years. After you were able to buy your lot, mga kapitbahay dito, yung mga caretakers, sila magtutulong maglinis ng mga lote nyo. You saw the other one kanina, the pictures, no? Yan, di ba? Sige, boss. Salamat. Third lot, Block 13, Lot 13, 2,624 square meters. Ha? Here. So, kita mo ulit. No? This one, you need some land filling a little, no? Going down. But it's nice because therefore you can develop your property terrace style. Okay? So, one lot to go and follow me. We're almost there on the block 12. It's the last lot we want to show you. Ito yung bakod na ginagawa lang nila dito. So, expect it just to be like this. If you start contracting the kapitbahay, so they get the kahoy from all the trees around here. So, we're now going to block 12. Last lot, we found it. Block 12, lot number 12. Yeah. Ayun. 1,969 square meters. It's a big lot now. Look at it. As I said, di ba? Para di mo ma-imagine kasi dami talagang damo. And, imagine if it's clean like the lot we looked at. No? And you can see the lot. Huh? Flat siya. That's farm living. This is farm life. So don't expect it to be near a mall or near the highway or, you know, with corriente and water. Not at the price of 1,143 pesos per square meter. You want those kind of flats, first class, subdivision with a mall near it and the beach and the mountains. Nahihilan 10,000 per square. So, if I were you, check this out. Mango Orchard, Naik, Cavite.